Hi there, students. To sort out. Okay, to sort out means to resolve a problem, to deal with a problem or a difficult situation or a disagreement, and to find a solution to it. Do you think you could sort out the problem with the pump? Yeah? Do you think you could deal with it, find a solution to it? Okay, so to sort out, for me that's the most common meaning of to sort something out, is to find a solution to it. The Prime Minister, he's having a great deal of trouble trying to sort out this Brexit question. I need to sort out my finances because they are not very good at the moment. Okay, we could also use to sort out, meaning to make arrangements or plans. I'm trying to sort out my holiday, to arrange things in somewhere to stay, the flight, the insurance, the different things that we're going to do. Notice, to sort out as well can mean to tidy. So my room is a terrible mess and I need to sort it out, to tidy the things into categories and maybe throw away the things that I don't need. Because notice, to sort can mean to classify into different groups. So maybe I can sort out my room. I classify it into the things I don't need for the dustbin and then into different classifications. Yeah, but maybe if my room is a terrible mess, I need to deal with the problem, to sort it out. But to sort out my room, to tidy it. You could also use to sort, meaning to sort out, meaning to provide somebody with something that they need. Do you want me to sort out somewhere for you to stay tonight? Yeah? Well, it's another way of saying deal with a problem or deal with something and find a solution to it. Notice, I can sort out somewhere for you to stay, or I can sort you out. I can resolve this problem for you. In British English as well, they also use this to sort somebody out, meaning to stop them causing problems. The loan shark had a loan shark, somebody who lends money at extortionate interest, had somebody who didn't pay, so he sent some of his bruisers, some of his thugs, to sort out the person who hadn't paid. They probably beat him up. So to sort somebody out, either to talk to somebody and stop them causing problems, or to punish them or to hit them. Yeah. So John has been causing a lot of problems at work, and finally the boss sorted him out. Either you behave or you're sacked. Yeah. But to sort out, it always comes back to this idea of dealing with a problem, with a situation, with a disagreement, with something that needs doing or repairing or organising or arranging. Yeah? Yes, I got a plumber to sort out the problem with the drains. The mechanic sorted out the problem with my car. Yeah? I can sort out a good course for you to study. Yeah? Do you want me to sort out a good grammar book for you? Find and get for you, and then maybe you can just pay me for it. Okay? So, to sort out. Notice this phrase, to sort out, is really quite informal. I would probably give it a 4 out of 10 informality. It's a really good phrase to speak, but I wouldn't recommend it for writing, yeah, at all. So what about the origin of this word sort? Well, sort comes from Latin, sors, okay, which means the state of something, the condition, the situation, the lot, what is provided by life, or situation of something. Yeah. So to sort out, to resolve, to find a solution, to deal with. Okay. And remember, it's quite informal. Also remember, it's a regular verb, sort, sorted, and I will sort it out, so it's separable as well. So to sort out, to deal with a problem, to make arrangements, to tidy your room, to tidy somewhere, to provide something for somebody, or to convince in one way or another somebody not to continue to be difficult or obstreperous or cause problems. Okay? So I hope I have sorted out any doubts you might have had as to the meaning of this phrasal verb, to sort out. Okay, so that's today's video sorted out. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To sort something out. Sort out.